Hi guys, I will show you how to set time on Taxon car clock, but it's mounted on my wall. But I will show you how to set the timing. Press the M button 3 times. Now you can enter this menu. Here you can using this yes button you can choose which one you want to change: minutes, hour, seconds, day, date, whatever, month. Okay, now I'm going to choose the minutes. Now to change the digits, which number you like to change, press this D button, change. Okay, for example, I want to set here, press the M button to confirm. So it's set. Now again, go back, then change the date. Let's change the date. Today is 2nd of February. So let me try with another day. Let's go back. I want to keep the same. Oh, right. Okay, this is how to change time on this Datsun. Press M button 3 times, then choose by pressing the yes button and change the digits using the D button, and then confirm using M button again. Thanks for watching.